Hello, namaste, sat sri akal, vadakkam, and I present you another episode of Raw and Real with Mohit. And आज मैं बात करने वाला हूँ about things that I wish I knew about money. So these are things that no one told me about money. Well, number one is money is only attracted through confidence. Yeah, genuinely. So here's the thing, right? I remember this time when I was in sales. I was working with this company. मैं नाम नहीं बताऊंगा कंपनी का, लेकिन बहुत बड़ी कंपनी थी, एड टेक कंपनी थी, अभी अच्छी नहीं चल रही है बिल्कुल भी. You know what I'm talking about. And वहाँ पे basically my job was to go to parents and pitch the product or service to them. Now every time I came across as if I needed their money. I wanted them to buy because of my own target fulfillment, जो भी है. Whenever I came across like that, कभी सेल नहीं हुआ, not once. लेकिन when I presented myself that okay, you know what, इसमें फायदा आपका है और आप नहीं करोगे तो मेरा कुछ नुकसान नहीं है. It's for your benefit and your benefit only, and if you don't purchase this product, I am going to be just fine. Okay, you benefit from this much more than I do. When I used to present it like that, that is when people used to actually buy. उस टाइम पे मेरी सेल्स डबल होती थी, ट्रिपल होती थी, एंड समझो आई स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट मंथ ऑफ माय जॉब, आई मेड जीरो रेवेन्यू फॉर द कंपनी बिकॉज आई वाज वेरी नाइस, एज लाइक अरे कर लो नहीं. राइट, सो वो सेकंड पॉइंट है. बट फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज नेवर प्रेजेंट योरसेल्फ एज इफ you're the one that needs money. In fact, this applies not just in terms of money. Even when you're in a relationship, and if you present yourself that, oh, you know what, I need you, I want you, you're going to lose that person. That person is going to take you for granted because that is human nature. It's not as if they're good, bad. No, that's just human nature. You need to understand human nature. आपको human nature समझने की ज़रूरत है. You can also read the book Laws of Human Nature by Dr. Robert Greene. Number one is, again, do not appear needy for money. Okay. Number two, always operate from a position of respect, from a position of authority. आपको कभी भी ऐसे एक्ट नहीं करना है कि okay, you know what, you don't know what you're talking about. Always look as if you know exactly what it is that you are talking about. And the best way to look like you know what you are talking about is to actually know about what you're talking about. So have a lot of in-depth knowledge. Number one. So there are two things to do when you want to present yourself as an authority. Number one, internally build that authority up by consuming knowledge, consuming information, and actually knowing the ins and outs of whatever it is that you are doing. For example, I coach people how to become better public speakers, how to become better communicators. I have knowledge of it in and out. I can produce transformations. Correct? So whenever I talk about it, I look like an expert and I demonstrate that as well. Right now, you can see that, okay, you know what? This guy is not average. This guy knows how to communicate well. Correct? By the way, none of it is scripted. All of it are just pointers and everything is coming out naturally. Why? Because I've worked upon my communication skills. Right? So once the inside is done, you have a lot of knowledge about the inside. Then you need to showcase that externally through your communication. If you are able to showcase that, अगर आप दिखा सकते हो कि हाँ आपको बात करने आती है, आपको समझाने आती है चीजें, right? Then people trust you and people consider you as someone that has a lot of authority. They respect you, and then and only then will they purchase from you. So that's number two. Present yourself as an authority, and for that you need to have exceptional communication skills and internal knowledge. Now, one is something that you will have to do by yourself, and if you are someone that wants to improve their communication skills, become a better speaker, whether it's in front of camera or in front of an audience or in a one-on-one scenario when you are interacting with people, the link is given below in the description. Check that out, and I will see you in the program, whatever it is. Okay. All right, moving forward to the third thing. Hard work is not necessarily hard work does not necessarily attract money. Now, am I saying that hard work is not important at all? No, that's not true. Hard work is important, but only hard work will not get you anywhere. If you're thinking that, oh, you know what, I deserve it because I work super hard, you know who else works super hard? Laborers, मजदूर. क्या वो अमीर है? नहीं. They are not rich. Why? Because hard work alone is not enough. Which we come to the second point, communication. जो इंसान बात कर सकता है उन मजदूरों से और उस पर्सन से जिसको घर चाहिए, he can be the middleman and communicate. He makes more money than the person that is hard working, and he's not even the person that works super hard. Again, coming back to communication. At the end of the day, brutally honest, we are all communicators. मैं कोडर हूँ, मैं ये हूँ, मैं वो हूँ, नहीं. तुम इंसान हो, तुम बोलते हो. तुम जितनी क्वालिटी के साथ बोल सकते हो, जितनी पावर के साथ बोल सकते हो, जितना इफेक्टिवनेस के साथ बोल सकते हो, that will determine how successful you are going to become. Correct? You have a big vision and you can communicate it with clarity to the people around you, to your investors, to the people that are working for you. You'll grow. If not, you won't. It's as simple as that. Okay? Moving forward, correct. So hard work alone is not enough. You need to have the right mindset. You need to have the right skill set accompanying money. The fourth thing is grit. Now, when I say grit, now again, this might sound contradictory. एक बात में मैं बात कर रहा हूँ हार्ड वर्क इज नॉट रफ, दूसरी बात में मैं बात कर रहा हूँ ग्रिट. सो व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन ग्रिट एंड हार्ड वर्क? Well, grit is you fixing on one direction and being super perseverant about it. So there is this book called Grit by Angela Duckworth. Right? So grit is about passion and perseverance both. Passion means you sticking to one thing for a very long period of time. For example, let's say if I want to build a business around communication, right? So in order to be actually successful and be really well known, I need to stick to that thing for a very long period of time. That long period of time is not 1 year, not 2 years, it's half a decade or a decade. So that's how long I need to stick to it. When that happens, you see outsized returns. Correct? So that is what you need to do. Be exceptionally, try and just focus on one thing. And if you know that, yes, that one thing has the potential to make you millions and help you build an exceptional life, stick to it and just take it to the next level. Okay, but if that one thing you know does not have the potential to make you millions, for example, कितनी भी मैं मजदूरी कर लूँ, लिटरली पत्थर उठा के रख दूं मैं, कितने भी टाइम के लिए मैं कर लूँ, that is not going to make me money. That is not going to make me millions. I'm just going to remain a brick worker, bricklayer. ठीक है? To actually progress, I need to keep on upskilling myself as I do it. So brick एक बार में मुझे लगाना आ गया and I know what to do, then I need to focus on the next skill that helps me move further. For example, बात करना मैंने सीख लिया, right? Present करना मैंने खुद को अपने आप को सीख लिया. How to present myself better. ये सब जब मैं करूंगा and I continuously build upon it, right? Passion and perseverance. I'm literally passionate about it. I'm passionate about growing and I am perseverant about it. That is going to help you grow. Okay? So just know this. To conclude, intensity does not help you progress. It is consistency. When you are consistent on a daily basis, आप रोज उठ रहे हो, कोई भी चीज के ऊपर काम कर रहे हो, आगे बढ़ रहे हो, आप ग्रो करोगे. Otherwise, आप ग्रो नहीं करोगे इफ यू आर नॉट कंसिस्टेंट. यू माइट थिंक ओ एक हफ्ते में मैंने 10 घंटे डाल दिए, कुछ नहीं होगा. उससे बेटर है आप 7 दिन एक एक डेढ़ घंटा डालो एंड वो आप लॉन्गर पीरियड्स के लिए करो. दैट इज समथिंग दैट इज गोइंग टू हेल्प यू मूव फॉरवर्ड and grow in life. That is what consistency means. Okay, so that was raw and real from Mohit. I will see you in the next one. If you enjoyed this, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and let me know down in the comment section what you think about this video and what other topics would you like for me to cover. And if you're someone that wants to improve their communication skills, the link is mentioned in the description. And yeah, that's all from my end. I will see you in the next one. And once again, let me know down in the comment section what you think about this video and what would you like for me to cover next. Bye bye. Take care. Ciao.